Just the other day, I saw you looking my way.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm really excited to finally share this video. We actually did a recent makeover in Isaiah's room a few weeks ago, and we're finally getting around to sharing it with you guys. We are really excited because, as you can see, he didn't have much furniture or much of a style here in his room. He liked to keep his bed like on the platform of the ground, and it just looks like a teenager's room. We wanted to make some changes since he is 17 now and he's growing up. So we decided to go on Pinterest and kind of look around at just some different photos and get some different ideas and inspiration. And this is kind of what he liked, just a modern, sophisticated look with grays and blacks and whites. It's been 2.5 years since we moved in this house, and I feel like we're finally kind of putting everything together. So I'm really happy that we are able to do Isaiah's room today. So one of the first things we're gonna do is go ahead and change this accent wall. When we bought this house, it was actually the model house, so some of the walls were already painted and there were already some curtains that were up previously. So we're gonna change those according to our style. So before we start painting, I do want to get the wall nice and clean. You can see there was like 10 years of dust on there, so we needed to make sure it was a nice clean foundation before we start painting. So I went ahead and vacuumed the floor just so while we're painting there's no like dust or dirt flying on the wall. So I don't know if you guys do this, but maybe it was a little OCD, but that's what I'm doing here. So after we taped off the wall, I went ahead and just put a bunch of garbage bags down to use those just in case paint splatters. This is all we had. So this is my DIY floor protector. So if you don't know, my son is big in gaming. He actually built this computer himself, and so he has a lot of stuff that he likes to keep on his desk. That is why we had 2 tables here to hold everything. So what we did is we went out to find a nice, sturdy, good table, but affordable, that will keep all of his stuff on one table. I'm using here is a rag and also a magic eraser just to kind of clean up the wall, touch it up. There was a lot of marks on the wall and then also a lot of dust and dirt on the baseboards. So we're going to go ahead and let the primer dry for a couple of hours, and while we wait, we're going to go ahead and open one of our pieces of furniture. This is a nightstand that we got from Article. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the pieces that we picked up and where they're from. So now that time has passed and the primer was dry, it is now time to put our first coat of paint on the wall. So we did pick up this mirror from IKEA also. It is a huge mirror. I will have the links for these items down in the description box, but we absolutely love the black bold frame of this mirror, and Isaiah actually picked it out himself. So I'm just going to go ahead and remind you the before look of his bedroom, and now you are going to get to see the after. I'm so thankful we were able to pick up furniture from Article. That is where we got the bed frame, the nightstand, and the rug from. And Isaiah is just so happy and grateful for his new room. Their furniture is so modern and pretty. If you are looking for this look, they have it for you. They also have home decor too. They also offer free shipping for orders over $999. And they also have 30 days satisfaction guarantee. So if you don't care for your furniture and you're not completely happy with it, they will come pick it up and provide a refund. So I thought that was super cool. I will have the links to Article down in the description box along with the links to the pieces. Isaiah couldn't find a piece of decor or a piece of art for that wall yet, but he is still looking, and I will keep you guys posted when we update that area. We did pick up the 5-shell storage and this desk from IKEA. We also picked up this beautiful throw rug from IKEA and also the curtains. I hope you guys enjoyed this room makeover. I know we really enjoyed putting it together, and Isaiah is just enjoying it in general. If you guys have any questions, just leave those down below. Also say hi so I know that you were here. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.